Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to allow only one cell order or quotation. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Cell Team Order Access. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Cell Save, go to configuration menu and go to Sales Team. Go to new team. Team leader is Walter. Member is Walter and demo. Now go to settings, go to users, go to Walter, and now set here sales for user own document only, and also provide these options allow to access team member sales order. If you want to display now only one cell order quotation, so first not allow. And now log in with Walter. Go to Style Save and Order. And see here salesperson display only Walter, not display other. But now I want to display here all. Go to users and allow this option for display all cell order for added members. Go to sales and display here added members cell quotation or order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.